Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. This is not a kind of book which is a children books or coloring book. This is the kind of book which is a sort of like a logbook. So today I am gonna talk about is the niche which is doing very well in the market, and you can definitely try yourselves. Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Juma, and if you are watching with for the very first time on my channel, I talk about KDP self-publishing, that is all about passive income. So if you are interested in such kind of thing, please do subscribe to my channel today now and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested in passive income. And if you are watching my video very first time, obviously you can support me. But if you are supporting for a very long time, because some of the people here who are listening to me, who are just watching to me, they know a lot of things from my channel about KDP. So now we are going to Amazon marketplace and find out very profitable niche. So our first niche is bill payment organizer logbook and monthly bill planner notebook. Here we can see 573 results show in Amazon. So this is very professional niche. So we can try to create unique manuscript and qualityful book cover in this niche. So we can try to upload 5 to 10 book at least on this niche and get more earning. Now our second niche is Grammy notebook. Wow, only 176 results shows in Amazon KDP Grammy notebook. This is very professional and profitable niche. Here we can see 51 review Grammy notebook. Also here shows 4. Also here shows 6. Also here shows 51. So this is very profitable niche and low competition niche. So we can upload more and more book with Grammy notebook. Now our third niche is kombucha. Kombucha logbook. Kombucha logbook. Here we can see 865 results of kombucha logbook. So kombucha logbook, here we can see 334 review and BSR rank is 13781. Okay, so we are trying to upload a book of kombucha logbook. Now our fourth niche is 5-minute gratitude journal. 5-minute gratitude journal. Here we can see 1000 results 5-minute gratitude journal. 1000 results 5-minute gratitude journal. Here we can see 10,667 review. So we can see how many earns from this book. Five-minute. Here we can see BSR rank is 281. This is very profitable. 281. 281 book. Here we can see 528 per day sale. Per day sale 528 and per month 7,923. This is very professional, profitable and more earning from this niche. So we are try to upload more and more books on 5-minute gratitude journal and get more and more earning every month. So for this you can earn more money from this niche. Obviously you can create good manuscript and unique book cover. Good manuscript and unique book cover you have to create, and you also need good keywords, good title and good description. So you can easily earn same profit per month. So our 5 niche is habit tracker. Our 5 niche is habit trackers. Here we can see 2000 results. This is also good. Here we can see 1018 13 review. Hidugu habit tracker calendar 12 review. This is not a here we can see 123 review. Here we can see 1102 review. So habit tracker, here minute habit for weight loss. Here we can see for 453 review. So here we can see habit tracker 136, notepad 50 page. Here we can see 102 review. So we are also show book cover and interior design. Wow, this is very easy to create this type of book cover. This is interior, and we can easily create this type of interior with a few time. So we can create this interior very easily and also create book cover. So if you get into the right niche and use the right keyword, so you can earn more money from Amazon KDP. Okay, so remember, if you have liked this video, I do really appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can actually share with you more niche, more ideas, and help you to scale your self publishing business every day. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. I also wanted to say thank you very much for those that subscribe to my channel, and at last, thank you so much. Thank you so much.